Hello friend, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm your host Joya and you're watching my channel JoyTech. Apple has just released this iOS 16.3 RC for its iPhone and iPad users. So if you don't get this update, still at your iPhones and iPads, then keep watching the full video and after that you will all know how to get it. So first of all, go to your settings, scroll it up, tap at General, tap at Software Update, and here you will see the update. As appears on screen, you can see iOS 16.3. I already have this update at my device, but if you still don't get the update, then go back, open your default Safari browser, and in the search bar type here beta.apple.com, and I will show you from the first. First of all, I'm going to sign out from here. Wait for a moment. There it is. Appears on screen, Apple Beta Software Program. Just scroll it up, and as appears on screen, if you are new at there, then go with sign up options, and if you have already account, then go with sign in option. I'm going with sign in. It will ask you a password. Given your password, and then appears on screen, you can see guide for public beta. Just scroll it up. If you have your iPhone, then scroll it up and tap at enroll your iOS device. Just tap on it, scroll it up, and page on screen you can see install profile. Just tap at download profile. Tap at allow. Let's close the window, go back. Now again open your settings, scroll it up, tap at general, then scroll it up until you see option VPN and device management. Just tap at there, and appears on screen you can see iOS 16 and iPadOS 16 beta profile. Just tap at there, and appears on screen you can see it's asking for install. Just tap at install, enter your passcode, again tap at install, again tap at install. It's asking for restart. I'm going with not now. Tap at done, tap at done. After that you will get this update at your devices. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please share it to your friends and don't forget to subscribe my channel too. And if you have any other question, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.